Man overboard, under power. So we're going to get up to speed, man overboard, and demonstrate the Williamson turn. Here we are, we get up to speed, and man overboard goes over the side. So press the man overboard button, get somebody spotting, and then initiate your turn. Turn 40 to 60 degrees, and then turn all the way back until you're back on the original wake. As you come back towards the original wake, you will see in the water the kink, there it is, of your original turn. If you go all the way round to that kink in the water, then you'll be down the line of where the person fell over the side. Then follow that line from that kink and you will see the person in the water. Slow down as you get to the person, and then position the vessel sideways onto the wind so you drift down slowly for the last part of the exercise. When you get the boat beam on, just use the outside engine, and when you get close to them, shut down both engines. You get a beam on and she will drift slowly to the person in the water. And then from here we have to work out how we're going to get the person back out the water, and that's for another video.